Anglia Ruskin University Guide to the Harvard System of Referencing. Now, the reason I've opened this up at the moment is I'm just going to find randomly a piece of text, and I want to show you how we look for material that could possibly have been plagiarized. So what I'm doing is I'm simply going to copy a block of text from here. I'm going to take that there and go Control or Command C. I'm then going to go to a web page. I'll actually open up a new one so you can see it's clean. In the Google search, I'm going to actually paste that text, and then we'll enter. And there you can start to see that that text is turning up in a number of different articles. Now here's the Harvard referencing final. If we click on that, we should be taken to, it's actually a PowerPoint presentation. So that PowerPoint presentation looks as though it's used a lot of that text. So let's have a look at that. So that text is also being included in this PowerPoint presentation by somebody else, which is quite interesting. Let's see if they've actually used a reference at the end to say where they've got their sources from. Just click on there and see if they've actually referenced this particular document. There doesn't seem to be. Let's go on to the next one. Nope. So we've just discovered that that particular PDF has used the same text that I've just Googled. Let's have another look. And there's the download for the Anglia Ruskin University. So that's the PDF that we've just looked at. And that would be, that's the same piece of text, so there's no point in actually looking for that again. And there's also a reference here. Let's have a look at this. So we'll go back to there. So that's the text that I've taken. What is referencing? Let's do it again. Go back to here. And you can see that where the text is bold indicates that that is an exact copy. And you can see those two pieces of text just there, that one there and that one there, are using the same text exactly. And you'll also see that that text in there is a straight direct copy of that, as is this one here. Majority of that one is. This one here on WordPress is also a direct copy. So you can see where that information has been used several times, and in some cases hasn't necessarily been referenced. So let's have a look at this document here. See if there's a reference in this document. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to find that text. Some of that should have been referenced in that particular piece. So let's just see if we can find it. Here we go, let's paste that in there. Let's do a comparison. So there we have, why do I need to provide references to my work? And there again it is there, and so is what is referencing. We've got to show, and that is an exact copy of that there, and we may find that some of the other text is there. So there's a direct, that should have been referenced in that particular piece of work, and it obviously hasn't been, even though there has been some kind of reference in there. Oh, there it is. There's the reference there. So there we go. So there is a reference just there. And if I click on that by going, that should bring me up to here. Yep. And there's the where you get the full guide. So there is a reference in there to that particular text. Now, the purpose of just doing this exercise that I've just gone through is to kind of demonstrate to you how easy it is for me to locate a piece of text by simply copying and pasting what I've seen written in an essay and putting it into Google. Now what I'm going to do just very quickly is I'm going to take, this is one of my pieces of text here, and I've got a few things here, so I'm just going to take that line there, copy that, open up a new page and paste it in, go enter. Now that was from my own piece of writing, and as you can see, although some words are turning up, the majority of the text here isn't bold, which kind of indicates that I've not copied and pasted that material from somewhere. So that text that it's actually searching for is my own written material. And if I was to go through a piece of text as an assessment and do this process I've just gone through here, I would very quickly find whether or not a piece of work has actually been plagiarized. So that's something to bear in mind when you're actually submitting essays to me. Thanks for watching.